Hi everybody, it's Somewhat Girly here, back with another unboxing, this time with the Ipsy. It came very late this month. I want to say it's like the 26th of the month. I don't know if it's because they're using DHL or what, but let's get into it. Just a reminder that I am visually impaired, and I use reader glasses and the zoom on the camera to be able to see what I'm looking at. I don't know if I got any add-ons this time, so there's going to be a... Ooh, that's cute. Okay, already liking the cuteness. Okay, it says anything's possible. That's our theme for this month. The items are inside, so we're not going to take a peek at that, and we're just going to put that off to the side. All right, let's take a look at this bag. It is canvas feeling. It's a soft bag, not one of their normal plastic ones. We're going back to the ribbons on the zipper pull. I haven't seen those for quite a while. Look good, do good. I like that. Okay. I really like the colors of the bag, and I like the flowers on them. So let's get into it. Ooh. Okay, first item that's pretty much poking all the way out of here. I got this before in one of my last bags. It's like a face wash, I think? Yeah, I got this before. Good cleanup. Okay. I think it's by Benefit. I'll open it again. Look at the container. I mean, it's real nice. It didn't come with a plastic cap, though. It was still closed. I don't know. Yeah, so I got this once before. I haven't tried it yet because I have a skincare regimen that I follow. But that's great. I got a second one. I don't know how expensive these are. Move this off to the side. Put it down the bottom. I'll put down the price of it on the screen there. Of a full size anyway. Okay, so... Okay. We got something in bubble wrap. Boop. Put it down. Into bubble wrap. ASMR. What do we got here? It is by Shania B. We've gotten something like from this brand before. Alright, pre-opened it. There's the stuff on the back there. It says eyeshadow duo and it says be free. I don't think that's the one I had gotten before. Maybe I did. Hang on. Nope, the other one was a completely different color set. Okay, so... Alright. There's my hand. Time to do a little swatchy swatchy. It's got the cute little flamingos on it. Which flamingos are pink? That's a pretty shade of pink. What do you think? Okay, the other one. Swoosh, 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 swoosh. This could be a nice springy look. Right? Did I get enough on there? Yeah, look at that. That builds up nicely on from my fingers. What do you think? So yeah, there's those two, which can make a nice spring look since we are still in spring and it is very cold after that warm snap we had. All right, let's see here. Come, ow. Okay, this was my pick for the month. I decided that I need to get some new mini beauty blenders. The one I have is like, it doesn't come clean anymore. This has got, it is clean though, but it has got like all kinds of like concealer and whatnot in it. I use it for blending out my eyeshadow primer. I just had to remember that. But you see, it's kind of, so I got these from Farrah. I didn't know how big they were going to be when I got them. And just remember, they do increase in size when Oh, you gotta tear it. When you get them wet, like you're supposed to. Oh, they're soft. They're very soft. And they're very, oh. My old one was small and had a flat side to it, but this one, very, very Easter egg colored. I like that, you know, for the boop, 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 boop. I like that. I didn't need the added noise effects there. But that's great. Now I have two. It's awesome. Yeah, it was one of the picks for the month. Those who get the Ipsy Bag, at least once or one time a month, will be able to pick one of their items. What do we got here? It's a tube of something. Well, the bottom says Deluxe Lipstick in number 17. The brand is that there's a B, an F, a C. Not 100% sure. Definitely the plastic did not want to come off. Now, okay, I was expecting orange since this is bright orange. It's a matte kind of material. I like it. Okay, let's see here. Make sure I don't get it anywhere that I don't want it. You ready? Oh, that's a nice color. Let's see here. Yeah, that's a really nice color. Didn't have a color name, just called number 17. So if you go to the website of the brand, you can find out, you could purchase it there. It was a little like weird though that the packaging was orange. I was expecting orange, honestly. All right, let's see here. What do we got lastly? Another tube from somewhere. All right, Grown Alchemist. A hand cream. Okay. It does have like things on the back here. Certified toxic free, natural, new revolution of healthy, blah, 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 blah. They always say that. I'm sorry for, you know, saying that, but they always do. And there's a million things on the sides. I don't know why. Probably the ingredients. Come out. The packaging's cold. Is it metal? I don't know. No smell yet. Hold on a second here. I want to try and get this itty bitty thing on. They always make these so super small. Oh, wait. Oh. Oh. Oh boy. So to open it, it didn't have a thing on it. It just had they used to put it on old paint tubes when you did like car models. You know, those, I don't know, they're plastic. Sometimes they clip to the other, sometimes they don't. That's what kind of reminds me of. But there it is. I don't know why I'm showing you a hand cream, but it's a wet hand cream. I'm not a big fan of wet ones because they don't tend to go in, and when you use them on your hands and you need to do things, like push the buttons on your camera perhaps, you can't because your hand's all full of goop. Alright, it smells like lemons. Just straight up lemons, which I do love the smell of lemons. It's a very citrusy smell. It takes a minute for it to actually, like, you know, go in. But it feels nice. I mean, it's hand cream. You can't. I don't think I've ever experienced a bad hand cream. Let's take a peek at my add-on. I don't remember what I picked. I keep saying add-on, but that's not what it is. Oh, it's a vegan lip balm. It's from Plum. Plum. I like the way the packaging opens, if I can remember how to open it correctly. Yeah. Oh, tear strip. We tried. And then it kind of opens up like a little flower. And you get your little pot. Okay. It's a really pretty shade. And it's supposed to be Candy Melts. And it says it is Bubblegum. Bloop. Okay. So there we go. Someone should have told me. That is Bubblicious. No. Oh my God. Hubba Bubba. That is a strong smell. Ooh. I don't know if this is a full size from this company. I will put it right here while I'm playing with this, but it is strong smelling. Like Hubba Bubba, Bazooka, like if you're my age, which I'm quite old, all the old types of bubble gum. Well, what do we think? I like the items I got. Well, especially since I picked this one, but the colors of these go together so well. I don't know how this is going to look on me. I do have a yellowing of my teeth because of my beatus. So I don't know how it's going to look while I'm wearing it, but I'm still going to try it out because like this combination would be really, really nice to like go out for a nice daytime look. What do you think? Okay. I thank you for coming along to my unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.